Hello everyone, I'm Upasana and in today's video we have a question that x raised to power 2023 is equal to 2023 and we are supposed to find the value of x, right? So let us proceed in the solution. Whenever we have this form a raised to power b raised to power c, don't confuse this with this a raised to power b raised to power c. This is different, okay, and this is different. In this case you can write it as a raised to power bc, but when you have this case that a raised to power b raised to power c, this is actually a bracket here, okay. So this is a raised to power b raised to power c. You will solve this part first and then you will proceed further, okay. So here if I see, I can write the bracket here, right? Okay, now it is x raised to power 2023. It is a very big number. So what do? I suppose x raised to power 203 as t. Okay, then I get x raised to power t is equal to 2023, right? Now my main motive is to get one variable first of all, and second thing is to solve this thing. And for that, what do? If I take power 2023 on both sides, okay, what will I get? I will get x raised to power 2023t. As I told you that a raised to power b raised to power c you can multiply, right? So this is equal to 2023 raised to power 2023. Okay. So here this again can be written as this, that I take 2023 inside and whole power t is equal to 2023 power 2023, right? So this is t raised to power t is equal to 2023 raised to power 2023. And this method we discuss in many videos, that whenever you have such question, always try to make it in this form: a raised to power a is equal to b raised to power b, and that we have got now, that t raised to power t is equal to 2023 raised to power 2023. And now it is easy to compare and we get t is equal to 2023. And what is t? T is equal to x raised to power 2023, that is equal to 2023, right? So for finding the value of x, I will take power 2023 on both sides, okay. So 1 by 2023 like that, okay. And on right hand side as well, I will take power 1 by 2023, and this cancels out this one. So x is nothing but 2023 raised to power 1 by 2023, and this is our answer. So I hope you like this video. If you like math riddles, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.